going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. From the title and thumbnail, you guys obviously know what I'm going to be talking about today, because I've had a lot of questions about my fitment on my F80 M3. Everyone that sees the car is always like, damn bro, the fitment is perfect. And I'm like, yeah, I mean, I only did this, and that. Very inexpensive, so if you guys are looking for a really good setup but not too expensive, stay tuned. So without further ado, I'm gonna roll the clip. So when purchasing this car, we all know that the F80 M3 has a pretty outrageous fitment from factory. And with lowering it, I wanted to go with something that looked good and looked like it should have came from factory. So I know a lot of people with F80 M3s go with brands such as KW Haas, OLEDs. So I decided to go with the lowering spring rail. I can happily say that with these EMD springs that I did purchase from the EMD website, it has been nothing but great. It rides better than stock, and it looks very, very great with spacers. As you guys can see, look at the fitment in the rear. It is just barely touching the fender, and I do not rub. Now for the rears, I do have 50 mil spacers in the rears, and for the fronts, which I'll show you guys, I have 18 millimeter spacers, and I mean, it's perfect. No puck, and it rides like a dream. It's the best fitment that you'll get on this F80 chassis with EMD springs. Now, I've heard a lot of reviews about H&R springs, and the majority of the people that I've heard opinions from about those H&R springs have not said much great things about it. I also don't want to bash the company, but you guys let me know. And for those that do have H&R springs, please let me know down in the comments how your experience was and what you did. Me personally, I think the EMD springs ride just like stock, and if not, better than stock. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's a bit of a short one, so if you guys enjoyed that, make sure you guys like, comment, let me know what your guys' opinions are down below about EMDs, H&R springs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So without further ado, I'm gonna roll the clip, got my preset, blah, 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 blah.